you know my email is janettयल@springfieldpublicschools.com. And Gia has discovered how to video chat me. So she called me on my computer and I answered. If you can figure that out. Or you can go on Unified Classroom. I guess that the video chat is also video messages, and you can message on Unified Classroom also. So you would need your ID number and then at springfieldpublicschools.com. All right. So next, that's that. All right. The article we're going to do today in Scholastic News is kind of like cause and effect. And you know what cause and effect is. Hold on. Can this get better? No. Okay. Whatever. The cause is why something happened. It's the reason something happened. The effect is what happened. It's the result. Something happened. So here, all right. So while I was looking at the cause and effect, it made me think about what we say in school all the time. If I look and listen, I will learn. Look and listen is the cause. That's why. What is the effect? What happened? I will learn. Look, listen, learn. And then the opposite is true. Don't look, don't listen, don't learn. Good cause effect lesson. All right. Today we are going to write an informative paragraph about how harmful greenhouse gases get into the Earth's atmosphere. It's an informative paragraph. I'll move that in a little while. It's an informative paragraph. Here it is. Informative has the word inform. Information has the word inform. And when you inform someone of something, you give them knowledge. The question we're going to be answering, did I tell you we are going to be using, wait, I should have showed you that first. Writing an informative paragraph with Miss Giannetti. Again. All right. We are going to be using the Scholastic News. It's the April 13th issue. Can cows help save our planet? The question we're going to be answering in our paragraph is, what are some ways harmful greenhouse gases get into the Earth's atmosphere? This is the question. All right, if I read this to you or play it, which I did get to work this week, it takes a very long time. So what I want you to do is, where you can pause this video, you can go to Scholastic Literacy Pro, go to Scholastic News, find the April 13th issue. You listen to it or read it on your own, and then when you're done, come back, and I'm going to finish my lesson. Okay? Be in awkward silence for a minute. Press pause. Okay, hopefully you're back. Now we can continue. Hopefully you listened to the article. Hopefully you were looking at all the text features to help you understand what you were reading. All right. I went through the issue and I did do some highlighting. So when we write an informative paragraph, we use our, oh boy, hold on, I know where it is. Oh, here it is. Ooh. Writing organizer, the same one we used last week. The only thing that's going to be different this week is we usually have 3 pieces of evidence. Today we're only going to have 2 pieces of it. We still have our opening and our closing. the evidence, the explanation, and don't forget your transition words, okay? We're going to use the organizer again. So the question, what are some ways harmful greenhouse gases get into the Earth's surface? This is my opening. I am going to turn the question around. TTQA, you know that. There are different ways harmful greenhouse gases get into the Earth's atmosphere. This is our opening. I just turned the question around. I took the question and I turned it into a statement. Let me turn you a little bit this way. Maybe you could see a little better. Maybe if I move it this way. Yes? Oh, maybe a little better. Okay. All right. The opening, I just turned the question around. I took the question and I turned it into a statement. So now I need to answer the questions. Okay? I need to first use a transition word with the evidence. So, how? Wait, oh boy, okay. How do harmful greenhouse gases get into the Earth's surface? One way, it's in yellow, that's my transition word. One way is the burning of fossil fuels like oil, coal, and gas to power our cars, homes, and factories. The burning of fossil fuels. Okay. So now I need to explain that. I gave the evidence, but I didn't give an explanation. How does burning fossil fuels harm the Earth's atmosphere? Burning fossil fuels sends invisible gases into the atmosphere. Oops. Burning fossil fuels sends invisible gases into the atmosphere, but that's not enough. I need to continue my explanation. How do the gases, how are they harmful? These gases trap heat from the sun and cause Earth to warm up. So for my explanation, I had two sentences. I used two sentences. I needed more of an explanation. If it doesn't answer the question and explain, then you need to find more evidence, explanation. All right, my next evidence, transition word first, with the evidence, transition word, another way. Another way harmful greenhouse gases get into the Earth's atmosphere is by the gas that comes from a cow burp. Well, if you listen to the article, then you already know the answer. I did think this was a little strange. But now, what is my explanation of that? How does a cow burp cause harmful greenhouse gases to get into the Earth's atmosphere? Because of the way they digest their food, this is what made me think of the cause effect. Gas builds up in their stomach until it comes out. The cause, the way they digest their food, the effect is the gas builds up in their stomach until it comes out. And it's that gas that is harmful to the Earth's atmosphere. Oops, that was my explanation. Okay, now I have my opening. I have two pieces of evidence with their explanations. We only have two this week. I explained that, I think. So now we just do the closing. My opening and my closing. The closing, I'm turning the question around. I'm just doing it in a different way. These are two of the ways that greenhouse gases are harmful to the Earth's atmosphere. Oops. These are two of the ways that greenhouse gases are harmful to the Earth's atmosphere. So we did answer our question. We answered our question with 2 pieces of evidence, and then we explained that evidence. So now, if we were using our organizer, oh, I didn't show you that, writing an informative paragraph with Miss Janetti. Hold on. Okay, if we were using our organizer, this is what it would look like. This is how I would write it. I would put each of my opening, evidence, explanation, and closing in the proper box. But I'm not done. Oopsie, sorry. But I'm not done. I'm not finished. Now I need to turn that into a paragraph. So what I did was, here is how it is written without the organizer. But when I'm writing, I just don't go to the end of the sentence, then go to a new line. I stay where I am and I finish the line. So if I was writing this onto another piece of paper, this is what it would look like. Okay? Put my period at the end and then start my new sentence. Oh boy, I just found a mistake. I forgot to put a period. Oh my goodness. I have to make sure every sentence begins with a capital and ends with a period. Now see, I found a mistake and all I did was fix it. That's fine. I just fixed it. I left this in the colors, but that's not how we would write it. So here it is. Here's my paragraph that explains different ways, or some of the ways, that harmful greenhouse gases get into the Earth's atmosphere. Okay. There are different ways harmful greenhouse gases get into the Earth's atmosphere. One way is the burning of fossil fuels like oil, coal, and gas to power our cars, homes, and factories. Another mistake. Period. Burning fossil fuels sends invisible gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun and cause Earth to warm up. Another way is by the gas that comes from a cow burp. Because of the way they digest their food, gas builds up in their stomach until it comes out. These are 2 of the ways that greenhouse gases are harmful to the Earth's atmosphere. So we answered our question, we explained it, we have an opening and a closing. And then I always tell you, good writers read their writing. I just read my writing and that's how I found a mistake. Actually, I found 2 mistakes. So as a good writer, always read your writing over and over again. Make sure it makes sense. Okay? I think I'm done. Oh, and it's still 15 minutes. I'm sorry. I tried to make it shorter, but I think I'm going to try to do a read aloud now. So I'm going to say goodbye again until not next week, but the week after. I don't know when you'll be watching this. You'll see me again. Miss you.